Today we're going to make some coastal decor, a message in a bottle. Can you imagine finding this? So here Jay is going to get started on making a message in a bottle. So we decided to start on making a message and we need to age it. It needs to look like it's been at sea for a little while. So we're just going to crunch that paper really good, wrinkle that up, and just basically really distress it. And here Jay is using a tea bag to just make the paper look a little aged. So he's just going to squeeze some of that on there and let that dry for a little while. So here's the pot we're going to use. It has a hole in the bottom, so we're going to fix that with a little tape. So Jay's just going to put some tape on the bottom, rub it down really good so we don't spring any leaks. And just a note for all our subscribers out there, we appreciate your subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we really appreciate it if you did. It helps us out a lot, so thanks so much. And now Jay is going to fill in part of the pot with some styrofoam. We're going to be adding sand in it. We didn't want to fill up the whole thing with sand because it takes quite a bit, so we're going to just fill in part of the base with styrofoam. And now he's just trying it out for size and cutting it down so that the styrofoam will fit very nicely in the bottom. And we bought the sand at the Dollar Tree. There's two different shades of color, so we decided to mix the two together and just provide a little contrast here and there. So he's just kind of doing waves of different colors. And we also bought these seashells at the Dollar Tree. We had some, but we just thought we would use these from the Dollar Tree. And he's just going to put it around and make it look very seaside coastal look. And we found this bottle. We just thought this is perfect at Goodwill. And the bottom comes off. So, boy, when you're putting a message in a bottle, isn't it nice when the bottom comes right off? So how ideal is that? Now, we also bought at the Dollar Tree, I think it was a Dollar Tree, we bought this cork with lights attached. So it's made to go inside a bottle. So we thought, well, let's make our message in a bottle light up. When we put our little messages inside the bottle, it's going to look so cool when it's lit up at night. So these lights are going to look very nice. Now, if you don't have the advantage of having a bottle with no bottom, I would suggest wrapping the note around the lights and then pushing the whole scroll and all inside. And then that way the lights will be around your paper. Now we're just going to try and cover up that cork because it's a big plastic cork. It doesn't look that great, so we're just going to cover it with a little jute. And now our paper is dry, so Jay's going to crunch it up a little more and try and get that little bit more distressed. And then we're going to write the little message on there. So Jay's an expert at making maps. So he's got a long history of being a map maker in our family. So let's see what he does with this one. This is a good project that the whole family can do and everyone can participate and add something to it. Maybe you'd like to make something else to write in there, a little note, who knows. But we decided a little map, being a lost SOS map, would be the cutest thing we could think of. So I think here he goes. Of course, it's the most direct route to rescue. Oh, X marks the spot. What a cute little rescue map. Well, Jay's just going to roll that up now, and we're going to put that inside the bottle. Lucky for us, we can go through the hole in the bottom. So Jay's just going to work those lights in around the map, just so it glows really nice at nighttime. Well, that was sure fun to make. We hope you enjoyed this project and give it a try, and we'll see you next time.